Okay, today I will tell you about the home automation which I have done in my home using the Google Assistant and the Wi-Fi enabled switch. Regarding this switch and Google Assistant, I will tell you later on. Now let us see how I do it. Okay Google, switch off the outdoor lights.
Okay, turning the outdoor street lights off.
Okay Google, switch on the outdoor lights.
Sure, turning the outdoor street lights on.
Okay, let's do it again. Okay Google, switch off the outdoor lights.
Okay, turning off the outdoor street lights.
Okay Google, switch on the outdoor lights.
Okay, turning the outdoor street lights on.
Thank you Google. Okay, now we come to the second part, that is the Google Assistant, and this can also perform the same functions. Okay Google, switch on the outdoor lights.
You got it. Turning on the outdoor street lights.
Okay Google, switch off the outdoor lights.
Okay, turning off the outdoor street lights.
Thank you Google. Okay, now I will show you the smart plug which I have purchased from Amazon and have paired it with my Google Assistant. So we will go to Amazon shopping and I will show you from my orders. This is the device which was delivered today. Okay, as you can see, this is the smart plug which I have purchased and then paired it through an app with the Google Assistant. This is the plug which is to be put into a normal Indian socket, and it comes with a converter which can be used to connect the output to any appliance. This system can be used with Amazon Alexa as well as the Google Assistant, which I have already shown you, the round speaker sort of looking thing which is the Google Assistant. It can be controlled by using the smartphone as a remote control, by setting a schedule, by voice control, and it can result in intelligent power saving. As I have already told you, similar to the Google Assistant, Amazon also has a device which is known as Amazon Alexa, and Amazon Alexa, it can be paired, the smart plug can be paired with the Amazon Alexa and can be used to turn on or turn off all these appliances. These appliances can be turned off or turned on in a number of ways, which I will explain through the when I give a small demo on the using the app. This is just a diagram or a photograph which is showing you how this device has been connected to a table lamp. And this is again showing you a number of appliances which can be used to be this plug can be used to switch them on or switch off from anywhere in the world, or setting anywhere in the world using the internet, or setting timing schedules. That part I will explain you when we get to the usage of the app through which this both are controlled. That is the Amazon Alexa or the Google Assistant along with is controlled to control the smart plug. Let us see what is the description of this product. As you can see, it is basically saying that this plug can be used. You configure this plug to your home Wi-Fi, and thereafter you download an app in your smartphone, and then by a number of methods you can control your appliances. It is simple to install. The smartphone becomes something like a remote control. It works both with Alexa and Google Home, and it is basically used to smartify your house. The cost of this plug is 1799 rupees today in Amazon, and if you are a Prime member, the delivery is within 2 or 3 days. Now let us see what is there in the app. To use this smart plug along with Google Assistant, you have to download an app, and that app is called Smart Life. This is the Smart Life app. Now you can see I have already installed this smart plug and have named it Outdoor Street Lights. So now I am sitting in my bedroom. I just press this switch. I can turn these lights off. You can see it has turned off, or I press the switch and it has been turned on. I can create scenes. Now these are some pre-programmed scenes such as leaving home. Good night is basically a timing function. Leaving home or arriving at home, you can set it with sunrise, you can set it with sunset. So there are many other scenes which you can create. This is just a small programming window where you can create your own scenes. So it has to have a condition, and then when that condition is met, the smart plug will perform a simple function, that is switching on / off. Now let us see how I have programmed my outdoor lights to automatically switch off at sunrise and automatically switch on at sunset. Here you see the name I have given is sunrise off. It basically will work when sunrise will take place geographically in Patiala. If I show you, these are the conditions. I have selected sunrise, sunset. I have selected sunrise, and thereafter the task. You can see the task. Basically the tasks are on / off. So at sunrise I wanted to switch off, so I have checked switch off. So the small programming is that when it becomes, or when sunrise takes place at Patiala, the outdoor street lights will switch off. This is a scene which is created by a small programming, and I will save the scene. Then I have made a scene sunset on. In the similar manner, when sunset takes place at Patiala, then the task which will be done is that the outdoor street lights will automatically switch on. So this is a small programming, and 2 scenes have been created. Now after having created these scenes, the balance of the year I need not bother. about switching on or off these lights, as the sunrise and sunset timings will keep on changing throughout the year. The timing of switching on and switching off these lights will also automatically change. In addition to that, I can manually switch it on or off, like I have showed you. It is off now. Now I have turned it on, or I can do it through voice control, and I can switch on or switch off the lights. Thank you. I hope you have enjoyed this small little tutorial on smartifying your home using smart plugs and the Google Assistant. Thank you.